Alright, we're going on a quick test drive. We have 255,104 miles. Hitting the brakes really hard here. Stops awesome. The steering wheel doesn't shake or shimmy. Power steering sounds good. Has a really good turning radius. Shifts nice and smooth. This is a big bump right here. Took it really well. Suspension feels awesome. Steering wheel doesn't shake or shimmy. Nice and smooth. Alignment feels good. This thing drives really, really nice. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Got a ton of tread left on these tires. Wheels look good. You do have some chips throughout the fender here. Got some fading on the cover. Paint's faded here on the side mirror, and you have the chips and scratches. Overall, the A-pillar looks good. Got the fading on the weather stripping here. Typical little chips and wear on that trim. And then you're gonna have the scratches and gashes down the side here. Fading along that trim as well. You're gonna see the fading on the roof rails. Little chips here and there, like I said. Great tires, awesome looking wheels. More chips here. A little bit of fading. You have some spider cracking on the headlights, and they have yellowed. And then you're gonna see little rock impacts throughout this area. You can see all of them throughout the hood here. That's faded. Typical rock impacts here. Some larger than others. Little scratches and gashes. That's kind of oxidized. That wheel looks good. Tires look awesome. That's fading with chips. Got some scratches right there. You have some wear in this area, and the paint's kind of oxidized. Little gashes down here. Just typical wear. That wheel looks good. Taillights are nice and clean. A couple scuffs and scratches on the bumper. You got some damage right here. You're gonna see the gashes and then the little hole here. Got a dent right there with a gash. This piece is broke. You have damage down here. Some spider cracking. That taillight looks nice. Here on this panel, a couple little scuffs and scratches, otherwise in great condition. That carpet looks good. That bolster's nice. You do have some scuffs here. You have some cracking and wear right there. Got the big sunroof. You have some wear on the upper side of the dash. Little scratches on the glove box. Alright, kind of scanning through the engine bay here in the front. I'm just going to go down this. Batteries from 3 of 2022. Alright, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. You do have wear up here and some markings. This looks good. Buttons have a little bit of wear. Got some stains on the cover. Otherwise, that panel looks nice. Carpets look really good. That trim looks good. That bolster's nice and clean. A little bit of wear, a couple little scuffs here and there, but otherwise that seat looks nice. Got your wear on the steering wheel. That looks good. Upper side of the dash looks nice. Those buttons look good. That's clean. That looks nice. And then you do have the wear on the armrest. Here on the back right, overall, that door panel looks good. Typical little scuffs and scratches. And the door itself does not want to stay open. I'm looking at the seat. A little bit of wear, but otherwise in great condition. That looks good. A couple markings on the headliner. That console looks awesome. Here in the back, the seats are missing. Carpet looks good. Plastics look nice. Overall, very clean back here.